Okay guys, so I'm doing my mukbang of the seafood that I made earlier. I'm trying to get the angles, guys, but I don't know how this is gonna do it. Okay, I think I got it a little bit. And y'all can see me, so that's good. So I have shrimp, imitation crab, eggs, corn, broccoli, and onion. With a bunch of seasonings I like. I said I should have cut up a whole onion, but I didn't. And it's true about the imitation crab, the viral imitation crab. Don't cook it that long because it does fall apart, as you can see, but it's still good. So I'm gonna try to eat as much as I can. I got potatoes in here. I'm paying no attention to my head. I had on a hat and I was laying on it. So this stuff is extremely hot. Oh. I have a shrimp. You know my food is good when your nose start running. I need to get a water too. Hold on. Okay, guys, one of my lights keep going out, so it is what it is. At this point, because it's like 8 o'clock at night and I'm doing this. Ooh, this is hot. Look at that egg. I don't need a lot of seasoning. As long as you season everything that you cooking, the seasoning will come together. I only made me 2 eggs. I made me 1 big potato, but I cut it up. And I'm only eating 2 of it. But I usually get the big colossal shrimps from BJ's, but I didn't go to BJ's, so I just got these from my local shop, right? I mean, these are the cooked shrimps. I usually get the shrimps I cook myself, but it didn't matter. It was cheaper. I got broccoli. I didn't cook that much broccoli, and I usually do. Now this is the imitation crab. I'm trying to get it with some onions. And of course I got a bev. Don't play with me. Like my favorite one say. I play on TikTok. This is just a Coke Zero. And I also got a water. Excuse me. If you don't like burps and stuff, you might as well click off. Click off after you watch it. And it's hot. My egg. Alright, that's how it looks. Now this is the first time I've done a mukbang. And I can see myself doing these. But a lot of it is gonna be like with plant-based food, stuff like that. Like all the other stuff. By the way, this food is, I don't even know if you can see the steam coming up off of it. Let's see. Let's see. The steam coming up off the corn. Because this came straight out the pot into this oven bag. And I'm eating it like that. And it's extremely hot. But, yeah. But they say up on YouTube, content creators, everything is content. But, yes, look, I look crazy. I got on my house clothes. And my hair, at least I have hair. It grew back. Because I cut it. Which I wanted to cut it again. But, yeah, guys. So I've been sitting up here thinking. Like, I have a business, cosmetic business, if you don't know. It's always linked below. Or in my bio. Of whether or not to post. I mean, I haven't been posting consistent on my business page like I should, but look at that. And I just keep the tail on them because they be holding the seasoning. So I just use %30 less sodium, obey, lemon pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, a packet of sazon, because you know I gotta have my sazon because you know I think I'm Puerto Rican or Dominican. And I have to cook with that all the time. And I think that's it. And then I had the bouillon cube. Bouillon cube? What is it? Chicken bouillon? I don't know how to say it. I ain't had no chicken stock, so I made mine. Which is always better. Excuse me. I'm a lady. And if you don't burp, you fart. Just to put it like that. But I don't know if you can see all the seasoning in the bottom. The juice in the bottom. All of that is flavor. I should have shut the bag up. But I could just dip it in there. I really want to bite this corn. This thing's so hot. And I use this garlic and herb butter that I got from my local supermarket. Let me see if I can show you guys. Hold on. So this is the name of it, guys. If you can see it. And it was $5.99 at the store I bought it from. But it's excuse me. It's a garlic butter by Salad of the Sea. And they say you can put it on seafood, meats, pasta, and bread. I already put it on my toasted bread. I made a grilled cheese and it was busted. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, oh my God. This is sweet corn. Oh my God. I love corn on the cob, period. I like it in a can too, but not as much as the corn on the cob. And I always gotta have it. You know when your corn done and come off the thing like that. That is so good. I'm drooling all over the place, but it is what it is. I got some onions in there. I'm actually getting full, guys. So this might be a short mukbang. I'm trying not to be too messy with you guys, but it is what it is. I'm trying to move over so it doesn't get a glare, too much of a glare. But, oh. I don't know why I'm using 2 fingers. It's so delicate. I really should have made a whole bunch of onions. Because the fact that I'm sitting up here trying to pick for the onions, it doesn't make no sense. Oh. Is this my last shrimp? Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh. That juice burned the back of my throat just now. I'm full from the potatoes. But it's like I can't stop eating it. Even though it's a mukbang. So I know you guys usually see me cook the food, but y'all never see me really eat the food. I taste test it. But most of the time if I cook, I don't never be eating. I don't never sit down and eat because throughout the whole process of cooking, I'm already tasting the food. So that's not good karma. Oh my God. Excuse me. And if y'all don't like burping with mukbangs, then don't watch me because I don't care. And y'all can say what y'all want to say. Oh, she's smacking. Y'all don't want watching my mukbang. So, just keep watching it. Grab some food to eat with me. I don't think I had that many shrimps in here. I see I got one left. Because I'm not really a shrimp person. I like crab legs. And being I didn't want to buy the other snow crabs, but I wanted to taste these. These are actually from my local ShopRite supermarket. I found them. They're not the same brand as the one that everybody's going crazy for Sam's Club. But they're the same name and everything. The same type of snow crab. Damn, top is all bent. And when you're using butter, you must drink water. Water is something to counteract the greasiness. But I try not to put that much butter in it. So it's mainly seasoning. I didn't put all the chicken broth in it, which I should have. But I'm getting full. And we 14 minutes in this mukbang. Whew. Jesus. And I'm full. Because I've been drinking water all day. And then I ate lunch. I had Jersey Mike, so I'm already full for that. And if your food does not make you dance when you're eating it, don't ever bring it to the table again. finish up this corn. My crab meat fell apart. It fell apart. So I'm gonna finish this corn here, but I have crab leg, some imitation crab left over, 1 egg, corn, and 2 potatoes that I'm gonna finish probably tomorrow for lunch. But I'm gonna be signing off right now, guys. Thanks for tuning in to my mini mukbang. Let me know if you guys want me to do more mukbangs, or y'all want me to do some makeup looks or whatever, or styling outfits. Let me know, guys, what you want me to do. So until the next time, peace out.